Determine a vector having a magnitude of 5 units and parallel to the vector 2I cap minus j cap. Let's try to understand the problem. So here we have a vector and this vector is 2I cap minus j cap. We're going to name this as the vector A. Now here what we'll do first, we will try to find out the unit vector. That means it's a direction of the vector A. All we have to do is take the vector A and divide it by its own magnitude. That's going to give us the direction of the vector. Now we will consider another vector which runs parallel to the vector A and also is going to be in the same direction. In other words, it means that its magnitude, its unit vector is also going to be A cap, but its magnitude is going to be 5 units. That means the magnitude is going to be a 5 unit. So to define that vector, all we have to do is take that value 5 and multiply it with the unit vector A cap, and this is going to give us the required vector. Okay, so let's begin. So here we will consider that A vector is given by the vector 2I cap minus j cap. Now we'll find out the magnitude of vector A. The magnitude of vector A is simply take the square root. Underneath the square root, we need to find out the sum of two squares. The squares will be defined as take the x component, square it and add it to the y component square. So this is going to give us square root of 5. So that means the unit vector A cap, which is the unit direction of the vector A, is defined as A vector over magnitude of the vector A. That will be 2 over square root of 5 times I cap minus 1 over square root of 5 times j cap. However, our goal is to find another vector which is parallel to 2I cap minus j cap. So let's do the vector. This is going to be given by, so we'll take the magnitude 5 and multiply it with the unit vector A cap. So that's going to give us, so we have 5 times 2 over square root of 5. So that's going to be 2 times square root of 5 I cap minus the 5 times 1 over square root of 5 will be simply square root of 5 times j cap. So this is going to be required vector which has a magnitude of 5 units and its direction is going to be along the direction of 2I cap minus j cap.